Kind of extreme heat. I hear, Dan, that we've had a little bit of a warm up here just kind of over the weekend on the Central Coast.
Yeah, today was likely the warmest day preceding or coming into the weekend and probably out of the weekend as well, as our warmest temperatures of aloft have moved over us. Now, we'll have some ups and downs this coming week. Let's start with taking a live look from Domenico's, and you can see we have some sunshine in Monterey right now. It's a nice day, so this evening, if you're heading out and about, should be a beautiful evening for dinner outside, wherever your final weekend plans call for. Shouldn't have any problems from the weather. With that said, there is some potential for fog late tonight into tomorrow morning, so watch out, especially along Highway 1. It's going to be a little bit dicey, I think, late this evening with the fog redeveloping. We have some time before that actually happens, but it may be a problem as we head through the overnight hours. Now, the bigger picture showing high pressure, a couple areas over the four corners are really kind of over the Sonoran Desert. Another out over the open Pacific. The jet stream just kind of blasting away up along the high line along the U.S.-Canadian border. And with that, some smaller disturbances have come along with it as well. Brought some rain, showers, thunderstorms, places like that. But my eyes are tuned a little bit more to the tropics. We have a tropical storm named Eugene, which has recently developed. It is expected to become a hurricane here shortly. Right now, it's just 70 miles per hour sustained winds. So add 5 more on top of that, we're in hurricane territory. Now, Eugene is not going to reach us here as a hurricane, but its moisture will start to work its way up toward us. And here's how that plays out. We can look ahead on this map. Notice the areas of high pressure I already pointed out. You got one right here and one right here. And around high pressure, you have clockwise flow. So think of it this way. The flow around this ridge is just like this. And there's a gap in between these two ridges. So it looks like the remnants of Eugene, because it will be a hurricane for a day or two, then lose its strength over the cold eastern Pacific waters. And then that moisture may get drawn up toward the Central Coast as we head into later portions of the week. So this is Tuesday. We'll take you to Wednesday. And then Thursday, some models are showing some showers in our general area on Thursday. With those showers could come some lightning. In all likelihood, if we do get showers, there will still be a pretty dry layer of air in between where this moisture is, which is going to be in the mid to upper levels, and the ground. So much of that would evaporate. We have the potential for some dry lightning late in this week. Right now, it's still a little bit hard to predict this because the storm just kind of started. So there's a lot that can happen with it, and everything kind of has to line up for that moisture to reach us here on the Central Coast and portions of California. But by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, that time frame, we're watching for some potential high-based thunderstorms. Beyond that, we do kind of have weak low pressure hanging out along the west coast as we head through the weekend. So ultimately, we will see more seasonable temperatures for the rest of the week, but we're also going to be watching that potential threat of dry lightning. In the meantime, Futurecast overnight showing a few low clouds, maybe some fog swirling around the bay. The general trend over us is still high pressure, which is pushing down on our marine layer, keeping it fairly shallow. With that said, as we head through the day tomorrow, the marine layer will actually start to deepen a little bit. So we'll see mostly sunny skies early portion of the day tomorrow. And notice later on in the day, we start to see more cloud cover. This is 3 p.m. Then as we head into the dinner hour, even more cloud cover. So actually expecting increasing low clouds on the coast tomorrow, unlike today where we had decreasing low clouds on the coast. So kind of an opposite trend for us. And with that will come some cooler temperatures. Onshore flow will strengthen, and ultimately aloft we're starting to cool down as well. So we'll still be in the 90s in Boulder Creek, but not as hot as today. Scotts Valley down to 82 tomorrow, still 70, comfortable in Santa Cruz, mid 60s in Capitola. So on the nice side of the bay, you'll have a breeze off the water on the north side of the bay, but it won't be all that strong. Low 70s in an arc from Watsonville to Salinas, Hollister in the 80s, still some 90s in the Santa Clara Valley, but only mid 60s in places like Marina. Over to the Monterey Peninsula and vicinity, expecting highs in the low to mid 60s, a little bit cooler than today. And keep in mind, right now you're kind of at your high temperature in Monterey, as we've seen more sunshine late in the day than we did earlier. So tomorrow we probably won't even reach that point. Down south, we'll see highs away from the coast still in the 90s, but I've taken off all triple digits tomorrow, so we're cooling that much. Aloft, it looks like we drop about 7 to 8 degrees Fahrenheit tomorrow afternoon. Looking at that 7-day forecast, temperatures on the coast kind of up and down. We will warm back up a little bit as that tropical moisture comes through. We have a chance of a little bit of drizzle Tuesday and Wednesday as the marine layer deepens a bit. And then we'll have quite a bit of high cloud cover, I think, late in the week with that moisture coming through. With that said, we won't have a strong onshore flow, it doesn't look like, so temperatures may stay kind of mild. Inland areas will cool off over the next couple of days and head back upwards temperature-wise. And again, I've got watching on there Thursday to Friday. We're waiting to see if there's going to be any sort of little wave that develops that might increase the chance of pulling some shower or thunderstorm activity out of that high level moisture. At the moment, we're just going to kind of keep that heads up in the forecast for you, so please stay tuned to the forecast.